Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi is scheduled to launch its latest budget device, the Redmi S2, at an event in China on May 10th. Ahead of its official launch, the device has been listed online on AliExpress, revealing the design and the specifications of the device. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 is expected to also launch in India after it launches in China. The AliExpress listing hints that the device will also be launched globally after its Asia launch. Xiaomi had recently posted teasers of the device on the company's official Weibo account. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 will run on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 skinned on top. The device features a 5.99-inch HD plus 2.5D curved IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1440x720 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18:9. In terms of performance, the Xiaomi Redmi S2 will be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC coupled with Adreno 506 GPU. In terms of memory, the device will come in 3 variants: 2GB RAM plus 16GB internal storage, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal storage, and 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage. The device will come with a dedicated microSD card, allowing you to expand the internal storage while using 2 SIM cards. The images have revealed that the device will come with a fingerprint sensor at the back and an infrared port at the top. Coming to the camera department, the Redmi S2 will feature a dual camera setup at the back consisting of a 12MP primary camera with Sony IMX486/OmniVision Ob12A10 sensor and a secondary 5MP camera with Samsung S5K5E8 sensor. On the front, the device sports a 16MP front-facing camera. Xiaomi has been teasing the device as a selfie-centric device, and it will come with AI portrait mode. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 will be powered by a 3080 mAh battery. Connectivity options on the device include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11/B/G/N, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The AliExpress listing has revealed that the device will start at $165.99, but it is expected that the device will be launched in India under 10,000 rupees. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.